Hello, and welcome to My Colorado Journey. If you haven't logged in for a while, you might be wondering what is the best way to get connected to your account. If you already have an account, go to the Sign In button and sign in as a customer. Enter in your email address and password to get connected now. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password. You can type in your email address to get an email sent to you in order to set up a new password. Click Send Password Reset link in order to trigger that email. You'll get a success message that says we have sent your password reset link. Now, if you enter an email address here that does not have an account and click Send Password Reset link, you're going to get the following error message. It will tell you we can't find a user with the given credential. That means you need to create a new account. Go back to the home page and click Create My Account. From here, you only need to enter your first name, last name, birth date, and email address in order to create an account. Fill in this information and click Create Account. Whether you forgot your password or you're setting up an account for your very first time, you have to follow up on the email that My Colorado Journey sends you in order to create your password. When you receive this email, click Create Password in order to follow the instructions. Be sure to check your spam folder, as unfortunately, it sometimes lands there. You can also search your entire inbox for no-reply at mg.mycoloradojourney.com in order to find the email. Again, click Create Password. You'll be directed to this page where you create your new password. Enter your email address and the new password that you want to use. Passwords must be a minimum of 8 characters, must include at least one upper and one lowercase letter, must include at least one number, must include at least one special character, and cannot be a repeat of your previous 4 passwords. Click Save Password, and now you've successfully logged in. Thank you for using My Colorado Journey. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.